Hi there, my name is Craig. You might know me as the guy who streams Roadside. And recently people have been asking me how I'm getting VODs up so quickly, because often I'm able to get them up on the same day. And I'd like to give you all a quick rundown of how I managed to do that. By the way, massive shoutouts to Biffiteki on Twitter, who is the one who told me about the YouTube highlight feature. It is immeasurably helpful. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up a Restream.io account. Set that up so that you can use both Twitch and YouTube simultaneously. I have all of my streams going to both at the same time. So yeah, just set that up. Next thing, you'll want to set up your live dashboard for streaming on YouTube. Simply create a sort of like temporary title, fill in the description with the event information. For example, this is the one that I had for Roadside Hobbies. All of my VODs have this description on them, the date of the tournament, the bracket link, website link, all the other good stuff. Set category to gaming, set what game it is, and you're basically ready to go for getting VODs up quickly. Now, while you're streaming, you can actually rewind. So let's go back to where we actually had the game feed up. Here we go. Go to Create Highlight. With that, simply put in, this is a cool match. Here's the start time of the set. Here's the end time of the set. Set to private and upload. And with that, the VOD is up. Now, it doesn't have any tags, and this title is absolutely terrible. So let me work you through how I use Google Sheets to speed this up. So this is the sheet for the last Roadside. Note that this event name isn't right. Who cares? So for every single match that goes on stream, I write down what the round was, player 1, player 2, the characters that player 1 and player 2 played, and additional tags that need to go on the video. Over here, I have a second sheet called YouTube, Match Titles and Tags. Now this concatenates all of the information on the first sheet and creates a bit of text I can just copy and paste while the tournament's going on. So we have RSH Ultimate number 36, KYX versus I Love Fortnite playing Hero and Yoshi in Winners Round 1. Not only that, but once the VOD is up, here's all the tags. I can just copy that over and we're done. So let's go ahead and just make a new clip. And there we go. So now if I go to my videos, I have this right here ready to go. The title is correct. Just click on that, drop the tags in. I've got my name, my channel name, the event name, what game we're playing, all the characters, the stages that they're going to, etc. Save changes, done. VOD is up. Now I take things a little bit further. So with Photoshop, there's a wonderful tool that you can use that allows you to actually use spreadsheets to fill in information. All of these text fields right here can actually be changed on the fly. So using my Google Sheet, what I do is I have a Photoshop data export sheet, and I'll make another video showing how to use this, but basically I can just go here, File, Download As, and I download it as a comma separated value sheet. Now what I do with Photoshop is I use the datasets feature. I import said data sheet. And with that, I can go File, Export, Datasets as Files. Now I'm just going to make a new temporary folder. Make new folder, temp. OK. And once I hit OK, it is going to save every single set as a separate image. So let's go get those. Desktop, temp, and check it out. They're all in here. Just do this. Boop. And with that, I've got everything I need. All I have to do is replace the background image, and typically what I do for this currently is I just grab a still from the loading screen when the characters are on screen. Just throw that behind it. Just going to go ahead and close all of these. And then I will go to Scripts, Image Processor, Send it over to temp. And with that, it's going to create a new folder with JPEG copies of every single thumbnail. That way, most of my process for making thumbnails is totally automated. I don't have to do anything. I just have to get that one background image, and I'm done. So using this, I'm able to get VODs up for singles brackets and doubles brackets, usually within like 45 minutes of the event ending, because all I have to do once the event is over is, well, make these thumbnails. That's it. As long as I keep up with the matches that are ongoing here, or even if I just like use a little bit of my downtime to catch up, I don't have to do anything when the event's over. The VODs are up, the titles and tags are correct, and all it needs is a thumbnail, and it's ready to go live. So I hope that's a little bit helpful. There we go.